I've liked the story of this boy, and the story is about a Sardar. So, and I believe that they're not making a film about a Sardar because maybe it's a fad to make films on Sardar, and because a few films before this has worked. It is not about that, and I guess they conceived the script even before these films were released, and became the rage that they were. So it's a simple story. It's not your summer big blockbuster, but it's a story from the heart. It's something that Jaideep and Shimit personally had something to say to the audience. They always believe in that. For them, script is king. It's not about the actor who's playing in it. It's about their characters. It's about the world they are creating. As long as that's honest, as long as that's what's working, that's what's really working.
It came with a story, Jaideep and I prefer to work that way. So the story came for us from Jaideep, script came, and then we, when we went through processes of elimination and seeing who would fit the part, because we wanted to be fair always, even though we liked him, we met him or something like that, we just wanted to be fair and say, okay, who would fit the part? And he seemed like lucky for us, he fit the part.
A lot. I mean, because see, writing is largely a lonely job, and you can go down a path for 2 months and don't know whether it'll lead to something or not. And at that time, to have a director and a producer who are supportive of it because they understand the writing process and who can form incredible bouncing boards for you when you are at your loneliest in your house, just typing away 12 hours for months together is such a boon.
You have to approach each film, each character differently. But that is provided by the script itself. When you have a script, you have the entire outline of a character, and you as an actor know the story from the beginning to the end. The audience doesn't know it; they are discovering you. So it's your duty as an actor to take them through that journey in the most interesting way and not bore them, and the most honest way. You cannot be dishonest because the audience can see it. So it's as simple as that.
The similarities, they're all. Luckily, we managed to work on films that they're interested in that role. So we don't have to do that much telling them, my God, it's going to be great. I never have to convince him because he read the script. Harook read the script, Nana knew this script also. So we never have to go through it and say, don't worry, it's going to work out. They understand the script, which is wonderful for me, and Jaideep. We don't have to constantly, sometimes when I've heard stories when you don't have a script that the actor isn't convinced in, you have to constantly convince them that it's going to work, don't worry. And we've been lucky that that we work with them and they understood the script that we wanted to make, and I think it's been a big. That's the similarity.
I guess also Mr. Aditya Chopra loves movies. He's somebody who actually loves cinema. So he is not hell-bent on just doing one kind of film. He's open to everything. The idea of Rocket Singh Salesman of the Year also germinated between Jaideep and Adi while they were on a drive.
Also, he was an incredible part of Chakti.
Correct. So he's open to every idea, every part of a story which can become a movie. So I mean, if today Yash Raj Films is known as what it is, it's because of a lot of hard work, a lot of talent that Mr. Aditya Chopra and Mr. Yash Chopra have put behind it. Well, for me, every character is difficult. Every character is not easy. Me giving, have been given a script and a character, by Jaideep and Shimit, which was so well written. Not only the character, but the film. Once the film is well written, you're backed by a great world. So that just makes it fairly easier because you're working with people who actually know the job and who are actually right there, pointing out at your mistakes. So as an actor, it just makes your life easier. Well, it's been great because I truly believe that I've really been lucky, fortunate and blessed. That I've got the opportunity to work with directors, a writer like Jaideep, co-actors and all of that, and production companies. But this, I guess I was just at the right place at the right time. There was a time when a lot of filmmakers were making or writing stories about young people, and I came at that time. So I would like to credit it to that I was just in the right place at the right time, and I'm extremely fortunate and blessed to be in part of these endeavors by these filmmakers. Exactly, I mean, I can go on and on praising them about their talent, but we all know about it. We've seen their work, and their work speaks more than what I could speak about them. But I think what's definitely stands, what makes them stand apart from the other people I've worked, is that they're really good people. They're good souls. They believe in what they do, and for them, it's only their work. It's not about the success or failure of a film. It's not about how much they will get for another film. It's not about working with the biggest of biggest stars. Like Shimit Amin could have worked with any actor possible in this industry. But he chose to take me in his film, even though I had a flop behind me. It's because they believe in the film. They believe that the film is what will speak. And I think that's their greatest victory, and they'll always be successful because of their dedication, their sacrifice, and the passion towards their work.